There's nothing more annoying than if your visor doesn't stay up during riding. Let's fix it. In most cases, the hinge mechanism on the left and on the right of your visor is broken. So first thing is to get one. The good news is there's a replacement part. The bad news is you pay about 30 euros for it. To get the visor off the helmet is a bit of a fiddle. It's really tough, so be careful when you do it. Trust me, I know, I'm on my second one. So the first thing we have to do is take the beak off. In order to do that, we need a coin out of your wallet and just take these screws out. This one on top here comes out quite easy, but be careful, there's also a washer underneath what is easy lost. Number one. Let's do that over here. Number two. Right, beak is off. This is the tricky bit. In order to remove the visor from the mechanism here, you have to move the latch back, line up the two plastic parts of the visor so you can see them, then push in and move backwards. And it should jump out. Don't use too much force. And all you have to do is do the same thing on the other side. Again, that will be easier because that's moving around anyway. And put your visor to one side. So here you see there is a bit missing of the hinge, and that's the reason why the visor doesn't stay up. It's just too loose. There's nothing here to support it anymore, so it just runs wild on this side. When you look here, there's these notches where the visor runs along. So this side needs to be replaced. So all you need to remove these screws in there is a T10. So that should be pretty easy, but then we're talking about BMW over-engineering here, so there's always a good chance you break it. Don't worry about the screws, you get spare ones with the new hinge. I just had to get a different Torx 10 here because this one here, for whatever reason, didn't grip. Let's just take that off. Okay, there's nothing falling apart. That's a good start. Take the one we need out of the set. Yep, that looks alright. And I just use the new screws here to put it in because it's pretty pointless using the old ones. Don't make it too tight, it's no point. As you can see here in the old one, this whole section is missing, so this should solve the problem. Since I'm on it, I decided to replace the other side as well, because obviously they wear out. It's pretty much self-explanatory that you replace them as a set. So all we have to do is now fit the visor and we're good. Let's put the visor back on. Same procedure. Pull the latch back, insert the visor on the back and then push it back and snap it in. Make sure the latch is on the front again. Should jump forward anyway. Do the same on this side. Pull it back, snap it in, and that's it. Let's see if that all works. Yes. Perfect. All we need to do is now put the beak back on. If I do it, I always start on the top. Then you have to line up these notches here with these screws. So guys, the helmet is functioning again. The visor stays open. How cool is that? Again, be very careful when you do this because this plastic stuff breaks pretty easy. Suppose that's the price to pay if something gets built as light as possible. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay safe, ride safe, and I see you around. Bye.